Kuda Tagwirei, born 12 February 1969, is a Zimbabwean businessman, political advisor, and philanthropist. Sadapina mashukubira toka pamusoro pakuda Tagwirei anoonekwa kunzi is one of the main players vari kufaita vari kuridzana nhau dzesuccession, nhau dzekusucceda mutungamiri wenyika President Emerson Mnangagwa. Zanabina mashukubira panguva inoitaurwa zvizere panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi kuda Tagwirei ari kuonekwa kunzi is one of the potential successors vari kuuya panguva ino achiita kubloka VP Kosan wechiwenga izikanwa kunzi is a automatic successor waPresident ED Mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Timira Wanamoda Nyukamchinsi is the founder and former chief executive of Secunda Holdings, a conglomerate with interest in energy, mining, agriculture, and infrastructure. Tagwirei has been a close advisor to the President Emerson Mnangagwa and has played a significant role in Zimbabwe's economic and political landscape since the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. In recent years, Tagwirei has expanded his influence into politics, including his co-option into the ZANU Central Committee in October 2025, amid speculation about his potential role in the party's succession dynamics. Tagwirei founded Secunda Holdings in 2005, initially focusing on fuel trading. The company grew rapidly, selling from 15,000 liters of fuel per month to around 60 million liters by the mid-2010s. In 2013, Secunda entered a joint venture with the Swiss commodities trader Trafigura, forming Trafigura Zimbabwe, in which Secunda held a 51% stake. Doma developments anobuda panguva ino aitaura pamusoro aiwa a philanthropist and businessman Kuda Tagwirei. Mbotse mafunguro iyi muri kudi pamusoro pakuda Tagwirei. Ndakume section medu musama subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.